I am completely obsessed with this brand at the moment. Just great quality gear that just works. G'day everybody, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will be installing a camp shower awning from Ironman4x4. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what's inside the box. All right, bit of foam. Oh, look at this. How good does this look? I'll show you guys once I get it out. Ta-da! How good is that? So this is the shower awning. This is going to be going onto my rooftop tent. So you can install them on roof racks, but in this video, I am actually putting it onto my rooftop tent. Now with this, so when you go to buy the shower awning, the brackets that come with it, this is only for your roof racks. Now if you were like me and you are going to install it to your rooftop tent, you do need another lot of brackets, which you can organize through Ironman4x4. You get 3 of these brackets and also your little nuts and bolts and all that sort of stuff for it as well. You also get these protective little tape things that goes onto it so it doesn't rub up against metal on metal, which is very handy as well. Another good thing when you purchase the awning is you get a QR code that you can actually scan, and it will give you a little bit of instructions to how to set it up and all the different nuts and bolts that you need as well. You also get this bag which gives you some pegs, and it's actually got lighting in the awning as well, so you get your little cable for that. And you also get your ratchet spanner as well, so you can do up all the nuts and bolts. So now we're up to the installation part, putting on the awning onto the rooftop tent. Now, for starters, I have to remove the ladder brackets, and I also have to move the locking mechanism off. So these can actually slide. So you just undo them a little bit and then they will slide out, and then you grab your bracket. And so this part here is the bottom section of the bracket. Now you have your bolt, so that will go into the rooftop. It will slide through the channel into place here. And then you'll have your washer behind it and then your lock nut as well. Now this will be facing this way on the rooftop tent. So then you will have 2 lots of bolts into this as well, and then that will hold your awning on as well. So with the brackets, there's 2 bolts down the bottom, and then you've got 2 bolts in the middle here that is attached to the rooftop tent. All right, so we've just fastened the brackets to the rooftop tent now. The only thing I had to change was the bracket for your awning on the rooftop tent, and for the rod to be placed into it. We had to use an extension bracket to make it a little bit higher, because if we left it where it was, the actual awning, it was going to be in the way. So we raised it up higher so it's out of the way of the awning. Alright, so now we're up to putting the bolts into the awning now. So you just undo the Velcro, which opens up the channel, and then you have your bolt, and slide it in the channel, and then you can adjust it to where you need to fasten it to the bracket that's on the rooftop tent. Just hold that here and then tighten them up and it should be all right. All right, so the shower awning is now mounted to the rooftop tent. So next is opening it up and actually having a look in what's inside of it. So let's check that out. Now there's two straps that you got to undo. They're just Velcro straps. And then this just slowly rolls down, like so. So now all we got to do is just pull out one side. Should lock into place. And then pull the other side out. That too should lock into place. And that's pretty much it set up. Now you do have lighting, which is tucked up in the awning. So when you're showering at night, you can have light. And you've also got a roof for the top of this as well, which will roll out and cover this top section as well. It's definitely big enough to fit 2 people in it. So yeah, just don't drop the soap and it shouldn't have a problem. And also, with those pegs, you can also peg the shower awning to the ground. So if the wind does pick up, it's not gonna blow around everywhere. All right, so if we go inside now, you've got 2 lots of pockets on each side. And you've also got, put the shower head through, and there's like a little window sort of thing as well if you want to open it up as well. All right, so now just pretty simple to pack away. You just fold in this side in, which is pretty much opposite to the way you opened it, and then put the other arm across. Now we're just gonna roll it up. Just get your 2 straps and then Velcro them back up. One side. 2 sides. Then put the flap back down. Like so. Then all we got to do is just zip it back up. Making sure everything is inside the awning. But it's not too bad. And there we go. Shower awning packed away. Ready for your next adventure. There you got 2 lots of arms here. One comes out, which locks into place, and the wind is blowing a gale, and that's not how it's meant to go, and that's not very professional. Is now secured to the rooftop tent. All we got to do now is open, and someone does a burnout. Where do you put the bloody ratchet spanner? Fucking.
Next to the.
I can't believe you lost it.
It's probably in the box of sparks with the sky hook and the independent screwdriver.
Haha! That's where it was. That's the fucking.
That's not. That's a screwdriver.
Yeah.